Ben Mar. Mae Michael Wilde i colli ddyn, y peniad yn rhy agos at y golwr. Cyfle cyntaf i dîm Neil Gibson. Dydy Niall McGuinness, rheolwr y Derwyddon ddim yma heddiw, cyn rheolwr y Fflint wrth gwrs. Mae o mewn priodas. Mooney ar dacl o ddyn wyllt ac mae'n gerdyn coch yn syth i Mooney. 20 munud wedi chwarae. Maen nhw'n protestio mi gafodd o'r bêl. Gormod o rym yn honna, mi oedd hi'n peryglu'r chwaraewr. Ar drws druan yn dioddau hefyd. Sam Hart, y Fflint, am wneud y mwyaf o'r dyn ychwanegol yn syth bin y bêl i mewn i'r canol, cael ei ffenio allan. Danny Harrison a Jack Kenny yn ei throi hi fewn. A'r Fflint ar y blaen. 2 gol mewn 2 gêm i Jack Kenny ers ymuno ar Fflint. A Danny Harrison greodd yr un wsos dwytha hefyd. Alex Jones, darganfod Kenny. Kenny yn isel, y bêl yn cael ei chlirio, mond at Alex Jones, y capten, sy'n creu lle yn wych i groesi yn codi'r bêl at y postyn bellach. Mike Wilde yn rhwydo, a Wilde bellach yn gydradd drydydd a restr prif sgorwyr holl hanes y gyngrair. Croesiad yn wych gan Jones, a Wilde yn gwneud be mae Wilde yn ei wneud. Mae'n 2-0 i'r Fflint. Phillips at y postyn bellach, Nash yn codi. Mae yna honiadau am gic o'r smotyn fan hyn. Andy Brown oedd yn marcio Nash, nath i daro llaw Brown. Dim digon yn un ôl y dyfarnwr. Phillips at Harrison. Fflint yn gwneud y mwyaf o'r dyn ychwanegol. Howard yn cael ei lorio, mae Phillips yn casglu'r brwsion. Phillips yn sgwar at Michael Wilde, oedd y rhwyd yn wag. A mi ddyle Wilde bod wedi sgorau ail o'r pnawn. Alex Jones, drychwch ar y lle sy'n gan Jones i redeg teg at yr amddiffyn, a mae Howard yn cynnig ei hun ar y dde hefyd. Howard yn isel a'r tro yma, mae Wilde yn rhwydo ac yn codi uwch ben Lee Hunt i'r trydydd safle a'r restr prif sgorwyr holl hanes y gyngrair. Llonggwarchadau Michael Wilde. Phillips at Wilde rond y gornel. Mae o'n rhithro mewn i'r cwrt, mae o'n bron am marw eisiau'r hat-trick yna. Howard i fewn. A Tony Davies yn ei lorio fo'n ddi-seremoni. Wel, mae hwnna'n drosedd ar gair rygbi heb sôn am gair pêl-droed. A Wilde sydd wedi pigo'r bêl ma fyny. Mae o eisiau hat-trick. Wilde felly. 5 gol mewn 2 gêm i Michael Wilde. Mi enillodd o'r esgudair yn 2013. Ac alla mae dyna di'r targed nesaf i Wilde rwan.
You know, the way the game panned out, with the sending off early in the game and us getting our noses in front, I felt we were getting into the game. Obviously the sending off always helps, but I was a little bit disappointed with us not being clinical enough in the final third. And we spoke at half-time about trying to, you know, influence the game in the right areas at the right time. So when we get the opportunities to go forward and attack, and we had them on the ropes, we had to be more clinical with that. I felt we still could improve in that area, but, you know, 4 goals at home, you know, clean sheet, first game at home in the league, as you said, first game in front of the fans in the league for a long time here. So it's a nice start to get off to.
I think it was really good to have the fans back as well. It was first time for a long time. We started the game with fans here as well, so it was really good. Again, if we're being probably nitpicky, you know, there could have been a lot more goals, especially by myself. But we've got to take what's given to us, and I thought again, the performance probably could have been better, but we've got 3 points, and it's another one almost chalked off, and we move on to next week now.
We know when we signed, you know, Wildy, that we were going to get somebody who, you know, can influence the group on and off the pitch and lead by example. Him and Danny Harrison have come into the club and set some good examples with some of the summer signings we've got. You know, today, you know, he probably, if he was being greedy, would say would have, you know, he would have liked another couple, but, you know, 3 goals, you know, 3 points in your home debut, I think he'll be more than happy with that. And I think us as a club, we're happy with the way that the team are playing and how we're progressing so far, but it's very early days after 2 games. And we know we've got a very, very difficult challenge next week against Aberystwyth, who look really improved. and we've got to reset now and go again on Tuesday.
To play 70 minutes at any level of football is difficult. To do it in this league, ultimately, it's even harder, and you can get punished the way that we got punished today. But overall, I've said to the players, we can't question their desire, their hunger towards the end. They're dead on the feet a little bit because they've given everything, and at times, even the second half, we said, come on, it's 2-0, let's go and have a go and see what can happen.